Oh, that thing's clearly in the way. All right. Aha!
Hey, Joey. How you doing?
Great. Roomy?
Yeah, I guess we are roommates now.
Yeah. Well, now that you bring it up, our fridge is broken. We have to get a new one. I checked around, and your half is $400. Thanks a lot, Rich.
I'm not paying for half of that. I'm only staying here until my apartment gets fixed.
Look, Rich, my parents bought this fridge just after I was born, okay? Now, I have never had a problem with it. Then you show up and it breaks. What does that tell you?
That refrigerators don't live as long as people?
Now, you know that the ATM only lets you take out 300 at a time, so I'll take a check for the other 100.
You're joking, right?
Of course I'm joking. I don't take checks.
Thank God you're pretty.
Hey.
Well, you don't look good, Joe.
Well, the fridge broke, so I had to eat everything. Cold cuts, ice cream, limes. And, hey, what was in that brown jar?
That's still in there?
Not anymore. So, anyway, how do you want to pay me?
Is this a service you're providing me?
No, for my new fridge, for our new fridge.
Our new fridge? I don't live here anymore.
So what? Look, okay, suppose we were a divorced couple. And I got custody of the kid, right? Now suppose the kid dies, and I gotta buy a new kid.
Okay.
Give me $400! Or you could just,
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell am I doing? You just broke my fridge!
What? How do you know it's even broken?
Oh, you think I don't know what breaks my fridge? Excuse me. Well, what do you know? Broken. That'll be $400.
Joey, I saw you push him.
You pushed them.
Joey, I did not break this, okay? That has been broken for a while.
Hi, Chandler, remember I told you about our fridge?
Uh-huh.
I still haven't gotten the check for your half yet.
Do not give him any money.
I'm not talking to you. You broke my fridge.